Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am trying to go from a 4-prong outlet from the RV into my plug into the wall, which is just a regular 110 outlet. And so I already have a little contraption that goes to my 30 amp one, and then I'm going to my 15 from this. And so really this one here, check this out. This is a nice little one. It comes with the cord and everything like that, and we'll just plug it right in. And then we should be able to just plug into the wall and give ourselves power. So we're gonna go give that a try. Okay, so here we are. So we got our 110 little plug here, and then we have our apparatus here. I just didn't plug it in all the way because I want to make sure I can get it off easy. But you'll see, here we go. We'll plug it in, and do we have, and look at that, we have light here. Oh, I heard a click on the RV, so we got power. So how cool is that? So now I've got my big old RV plugged into a regular outlet. I don't think I can run the air conditioning, but I can run the lights and all that stuff, which is what I'm planning to do here in the garage. Awesome, thumbs up for me.